And then the dragon ate the princess. The end. Oh dear. Oh, this isn't very good. Oh dear. Hi, my name's Gemma Perry and welcome to Mooncake, where ESL teaching is made easy. If you're new here, then you need to know that I make weekly ESL teaching tip videos to help you improve your English teaching. So if you are teaching ESL online or abroad, make sure you subscribe below and hit that notification bell for weekly ESL teaching tips. Also, real quick, if you are new here, say hi in the comments below and let me know where in the world you're teaching. Reading to young learners is essential if we want students to have a good foundation to later help develop good reading skills. But keeping the attention of our young ESL learners can be tricky. So today I want to share some tips that I use to help students follow the story that I'm reading by getting them more involved with the storytelling process. So without further ado, let's get started. Anyone that's worked with young learners will know that routine is really important. And we can create a simple routine for story time to help students know what to expect. So to get started, I usually have the whole class do a small chant together so that they know it's time to read. What time is it? What time is it? It's story time. It's story time. What time is it? What time is it? It's story time. It's story time. Next, we need to introduce the book and its title. Now, normally when introducing the title, I'll read it through twice. The first time using TPR and pointing out any relevant pictures on the cover, and the second time using my finger to follow along the words as I read them. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow! This is a very big book. Book. This book is called Bye Bye Animals. Bye Bye Animals. If your students are a little older, then you can introduce the author and the illustrator, as well as the front, back and spine of the book. Front, cover, back, cover, spine of the book. Front, cover, back, cover, spine of the book. Next, before we get into reading the story, I stop and let everybody know that they have 2 jobs. Wait. And before you start panicking, you don't need to worry too much about explaining what a job is. Just explain the 2 steps that you need students to do and they'll be able to follow. Now, before story time, everybody has 2 jobs. Number 1. All together, we need to blow, blow, blow. Blow, blow, blow. Blow, blow, blow. Blow, blow, blow. Very good. Number 2, we need our finger, finger. Finger, finger. Finger, finger. Are you ready? All together. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Ding dong. Let's try it all together. Are you ready? Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Ding dong. Very good. Now, I know that some of you might have some restrictions in place this year and having the whole class blow together might not be appropriate. So don't be afraid to adjust it and try something else for your class. Wiggle fingers. Wiggle fingers. Wiggle fingers. Now that students know the 2 jobs that you need them to do during story time, we're going to introduce that storybook one more time, this time showing students how those 2 jobs help tell the story. Okay, you all ready? Bye bye animals. Are you ready? Number 1, all together, blow, blow, blow. Blow, blow, blow. Blow, blow, blow. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Are we ready? Blow. Wow. Good job. Bye, bye, animals. Finger, finger. Are you ready? Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Ding dong! Well done, everyone. Wow! Next, as you're reading the story, don't be afraid to stop and ask comprehension questions. For example, in this farm animal story, you might ask what noise the cow makes or what colour the ducks are. 6 yellow ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What colour are the ducks? What colour are they? Of course, these comprehension questions will vary depending on the level of your students. For example, if you're teaching a higher class and reading a story such as The 3 Little Pigs, you might ask questions like, why could the wolf blow down the straw house but not the brick house? Think about your students, their level, and the appropriate kind of questions to ask during the story that you're reading. Finally, when I get to the end of the story, I always end by saying the end and having the whole class say thank you all together. The end. Now all together, when Miss Gemma says the end, we say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. One more time, we're going to say bye-bye animals, bye-bye animals. So there you have it, some simple tips to help keep your students engaged when reading stories. If you like this video, then go ahead and hit that like button and comment with the word helpful in the comments below. If you're looking for some more teaching tips, then make sure you check out some of my other videos right here. That's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, or if you're looking for some teacher resources such as flashcards or PPT presentations, then make sure you check out the Mooncake English webpage linked below. Other than that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more weekly ESL teaching tips from Mooncake.